so it's Kiwi back at it again. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the Mattemoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick by Fenty Beauty. This is the collection that Rhianna came out with of these beautiful shades of lipstick. I'm going to be reviewing at least 4 of them that I actually just purchased. I have 4 different colors. One I'm wearing right now that matches, the color of my eyeshadow. So I'm going to be just showing you how the lipstick looks and how I feel about it, and the ones that I chose. So right now I'm just showing basically how many wears you can get out of one container of lipstick. It's a lot, as you can see. I'm going to show each color that I'm going to be reviewing, and I'm twisting the bottle all the way to the top just so that you can see that this is a long-lasting wear of lipstick. I have 4 colors. I've actually only have 4 wears of each of those colors. So the first color I'm going to be starting with is Chaude. I chose this color first because it matches my eyeshadow. You see how this color just glides on my lips? I love this color as well. It's just gliding. Like, even though it's matte, it's gliding on. Oh my gosh. Do you see that? Oh, it just covered up my whole lip. So the next color I'm going to be trying is Yade. It's a blue color, like a periwinkle tone. So the reason I really love this color is because it's blue, and also I've tried a lot of blue lipsticks before and they usually dry out a lot. They don't last for more than 20 minutes, probably less than that. They dry out, they look cracked, and it just is not flattering in no type of way. Here I'm chewing gum just to prove basically like it stays on regardless of what I do. How much I move my lips around. So this new color that I'm trying on is called Saucy, and this definitely makes me feel like I got the sauce. But I really love it, and once again, when you're using orange colors, they tend to dry out really fast. I'm going to try and drink a cup of juice just to show basically that the color does not rub off easily, or that I can do many things, move my lips around, and the color still stays intact on my lips. I love that. So this next color is Single, which is the one that I wore in the beginning of my video. Okay, Single, oh my gosh, like I love this color because I have dark lips. And I mean, I love to find nude colors that make my lips look a little bit brighter. Sometimes when I put on nude colors, they make my lips look like white chapstick or something, like ashy. But this color, I mean, damn, it is nice. So that was my review for the Fenty Beauty Mattemoiselle collection. I absolutely adore and love the colors that I chose. Highly recommend and approve this collection. I mean, this is really different. I'm so excited that Rhianna came out with something so beautiful for all shades of girls to enjoy. So go pick yours up, girl. There's 14 beautiful shades for you to choose from. These are just the 4 that I chose. You can go get yours from Sephora or even the Fenty Beauty by Rhianna website. Thanks for coming to my channel. Bye.